Let me show you how you can automate your Google Blogger post using AI. So right here I'm going to enter the title and the description of the blog which I'm going to create, and we will see that an automated blog is generated over my Google Blogger. So now let's provide the title and the description. So right here I have provided the title and the description, and now let's move on towards my Google Blogger to see whether we are receiving a blog with the same title or not. So right here I'm on my Google Blogger which I'm going to refresh. And here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this blog. So now let me show you the blog which is just created. And right here you can see that this is the blog which is just created, and right here this content is generated by my OpenAI. So right here you can see that this is the blog. So now let me show you how you can also create this amazing automation by using which you can automatically generate the blog for your Google Blogger without even typing a single word. And right here I have created this automation by just using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate varieties of application. So let's move on towards the workflow page and create this automation which is going to save up a lot of your time, as now you don't have to manually write the blogs for your Google Blogger. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you can just click over this sign in, and if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So trigger is the first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I add a new title and the description over my Google Sheet. So here I will be selecting my trigger application as Google Sheet. Now let's select the app event, and now let's build a connection, and right here we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL over the Google Sheet. So this webhook URL will help us to build a connection between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect so that we can automatically fetch data of the Google Sheet. So now let's copy it, and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet named as blogs, where I have already added a new title and the description. And now for adding the webhook URL, you just have to move over the extensions, select add-ons and select get add-ons. And you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you have to search for the app that is going to be Pabbly Connect Webhook. So right here you can see that we are getting this application which is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards the extensions, where you will be getting this option for Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and here you have to select the initial setup, and you will be getting the initial setup dialog box. And now in this dialog box, I'm going to add the webhook URL which I have just received from the Pabbly Connect, and now it is asking me to enter the trigger column. So trigger column is the last data column of our Google Sheet. So right here you can see that the last data column of my Google Sheet is B. So here I'm going to enter my trigger column as B. Now we just have to click over the submit button, and right here you can see that my setup has been configured successfully. Now here we are having the test data. Now we just have to send this test data to the Pabbly Connect. So as I have clicked over this send test, my test data has been sent successfully. So now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check for this data. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 6 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of both the title and the description, means the fields which I have just entered over my Google Sheet. So now as soon as you will add the new title and the description, the data will be automatically fetched by Pabbly Connect. And for that, you have to perform one more operation. That is, you have to go towards extensions, select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event so that you don't have to send the data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. And now let's add our first action app, that is going to be OpenAI or the ChatGPT. So right here I'm getting this application, so I have selected it, by using which we are going to generate the content of our blog. And now let's select the app event as ChatGPT, and the next I'm going to click over this connect button. And right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to build a new connection, then you have to select this add new connection button, and here you have to enter the token. And now for getting this token, you have to visit this OpenAI API's key page given over the help desk. And right here we are on this page where you just have to click over this create new secret key, and here you have to provide the name and the project name, and your API key will be created. And right now I already have my token, so I'm going to just enter it and click over the save button. And here you can see that my connection has been built in, and here it is asking me to select the AI model. So right here I'm going to select my AI model as GPT-5, which can be seen over here. So I have selected it. Now we are getting this field for entering the prompt. So prompt is basically the set of the rules or the instruction by using which our OpenAI is going to generate the blog. So now let's enter the prompt over here. So this is the prompt which I'm going to provide to my OpenAI or the ChatGPT. So my OpenAI is going to follow all these rules. And here after this word title, I'm going to enter the title which I have just added over my Google Sheet. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this. But no, here I'm going to perform a method provided by Pabbly, that is mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the title and the description from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and this slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application, that is Google Sheets. So from its response I'm going to map the title, and likewise I'm going to map the description as well. So here I have mapped it, and now these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new single entry made over your Google Sheet. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and our OpenAI will generate the content for our blog. And right here you can see that we are receiving this response, and this response consists of the content generated by my OpenAI for my blog. And right here you can check out this is the content generated. And now I'm going to add this content over my Google Blogger. So here I'm going to select my next action app, that is going to be Google Blogger. So now let me search for it, and right here you can see that we are getting this application which I have selected. Now let's select the app event as create a post. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here for building the new connection you have to sign up with your Google account. But I'm going to use my existing connection, and here the connection has been built in, and we are getting this first field for selecting the blog ID, which you can select created over your Google Blogger account. And now it is asking me to enter the title. So you know that I'm not going to manually enter anything, because here I'm going to perform the mapping. So from the response of the Google Sheet, I'm going to map the title. Now for the content, I'm going to use the response of the OpenAI. So here you can see that this is the content generated by my OpenAI, which I have mapped. And now it is asking me to select the status. So here I'm going to select it as live, as I want my blog to get live. And now it is asking me is draft, so I'm going to keep it as no. And now these fields are not necessary, so let's click over the save and send test request. And right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrate that a blog might be created. So now let's move on towards my Google Blogger account to check for it. And right here I'm on my Google Blogger account, which I'm going to refresh. And here you can see that this is the blog just generated by my OpenAI, and this is the content which you don't have to write. This will be automatically generated by OpenAI. So you have seen how you can create this automation by using which you can automatically generate the blogs for your Google Blogger. So now you don't have to manually write your content because this automation is going to do so, and you don't even have to post this over your Google Blogger because this automation is going to do this task. And now you can grow the reach of your business by using this amazing automation tool. And you have seen that you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. You can create it within few minutes. So now what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box for your reference. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.